Hey y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my car. Let's go shopping today. I feel like I start every video like that, like let's go shopping. However, also all videos mostly start like this. I saw a TikTok, okay? I will put the video here. She went inside Gap, which granted we don't have a Gap. I'm at a Gap factory, but she tried on the cutest sets and just like the striped tank with the white shorts, the yellow dress at the end I thought was really, really cute. So I did Google ahead of time to see if this location carried any of those things and any of those things in my size, and they do. So we're gonna go try some summery cute things on. I'm fingers crossed I can find that black and white matching set because it's adorable. In store they only carry up to a size extra large or extra large. We have been here before, but also based on her video and her size and the way things fit her, I feel like we'll have pretty good luck in here. So I will do my very best to find everything, link it down below in the description box for you, and let's go shopping. I already see signs that say 40 to 60% off almost everything. Take an extra 40% off. Love this already. This is so cute. I love that color too. Regular price is 50 bucks. Let's see what size they go up to. That's an extra large. I found an extra large in the red color. So we're gonna grab this. Also comes in black. They also have quite a few of these sleeveless, like t-shirt style dresses and ones with the sleeve. That's a pretty combo. That's kind of like Ralph Lauren coated. Okay, are you kidding me? This is so pretty. Also comes in, well, that's a different kind of chambray type dress, but we're gonna try to take this one also 40% off. I found this one also in an extra large. It looks a little bit big, so I may grab an extra large as well. Love these yellow denim shorts. They're elastic in the back. The hot pink color is pretty. They have denim, they have stripe, they have dark denim, they have green. I like the yellow. They're $24.99. These are also small, medium, large type sizes. I see medium, large. Oh no, I found the yellow in an extra large way back there. Wide leg, take an extra 50% off. These are jeans, but they're leopard print. I see 16, 12. What size is this? 6, 12, 12. I don't know what numerical size they go up to. Oh, there's an 18. It's an 18 regular, like not plus size. There's a 20. Let me pull a black tank to wear with these leopard. I pulled the size 20 of the leopard pants. I saw this online and really liked it. It's a romper, if this is the same one anyways. Yeah, a black floral romper. It looks like they also have the gauzy material purple one. Let's do the purple one. I just got a dress in this super similar print from Old Navy. Yeah, we'll try this. This is also 40% off. Look, they have shorts just like the dress I pulled, but these are the linen blend shorts. They have the different tops. They also have the pants. These were in her little TikTok that I shared with y'all. They also have these prints over here, the leopard. Leopard and leopard's a little bit too much, but they have these colors as well. I also found this set, the checkered black and white, 60% off extra. I only see a few tops. Let's see what size they are. Extra large, and this one is a large, so we're gonna take the extra large. They also have it in tan and black. Oh, that's a skirt. These must be the pants. These sets look cute too. This like terry cloth cutout. They have a black and white and a white and black. Some graphic v-neck tees here, $7.99 each. Oh, that lemon one is cute. I'm wearing one just like that today. Oh, that blue jean baby is so cute. I found this striped tank. Okay, they have so many cute things. I have a ton of things. I also have a partner with me holding some other things as well. So I think it's time we try on. Wait, I spot something blue and lemon right there. This is cute. Oh, it's a little bit more of a drop top waist area versus that Santorini one I got. Was a little bit shorter here. Let's take this one in an extra large. Wait, this denim little dress is cute too. Let me see if I can grab that one. I have so many things. I don't even know if I showed you everything that I have. Like these are a linen pant with the stripe down the side. So cute. Oh, I did find a denim dress as well. I showed you the tank. Okay, let's just get to trying on. Let's start with this set. I was most excited for this one. Bottoms are in a size extra large. Top, remember, is in a size extra large. I think I need a size up in the top and a size down in the pants, but these are elastic with pockets, like a wider cropped leg. I absolutely love the print. Oh, that's a sticker. I think this high squarish type neck is so pretty. Also, I'm just wearing a regular bra with it because this is thick enough. So the top is slightly cropped. Bottoms are very high-waisted. Oh, you do have pockets in the back as well as in the front. Here's what we look like from the back. I think you could wear this reversed as well. That last button is not buttoned, but yeah, I think I just need to size up in the top. I don't love it as much as I thought that I would. Maybe the sizes are just a little bit off. It's very comfortable though. Love the shape of this denim dress. It's a size extra, extra large and it's pulling. It does have some stretch to it, but I still think it's a little bit too small. But the silhouette, like the flare denim sleeve, the button, the V-neck, the length, like the flare at the bottom, I think is so pretty. It's like a, I would say a mix between chambray and denim. It's not quite chambray, it's not super thick like denim. I feel like this is one that I need to find online in actual plus size because I think this is so cute. There's a look at it, like full screen, wide view, whatever you want to call it. This is so cute. Imagine this with cowboy boots. This would be so cute. Okay, wait, I kind of love this. Size extra, extra large. This is the purple gauzy material. Remember they had the black floral one, but that was not a gauzy material. It's a little bit roomy here at the top, but I feel like the bottom is the perfect size. It does have pockets. I love this like thicker smocked band here. A lot of times with rompers, or sometimes anyways, I'm a little bit too tall and I find it pulling here, but I don't find that is the case at all with this one. This is such a lightweight, breathable material. There's the full view. I love this color too. The shorts are a little bit longer in my opinion anyways. There's a little keyhole closure here at the top. This was relatively easy to get on as well. You just unhook it and like step into it. So I think if there was a bathroom emergency, you could get it off pretty quick. I do feel like this is slightly high. Like it's not really sitting at my waist. That's more like my waist down here. But I love the purple color. I love how lightweight it is. It's very cute. This could easily double as a swimsuit cover up. Next set we have, top is in an extra large, shorts are an extra, extra large. I probably need one size up in the shirt. I feel like it's not quite as oversized as I would like, but I kind of like it more than I thought. Like once I pulled it and felt the fabric, I thought, okay, this is probably not gonna be my favorite, but it's a very nice looking set. It is see-through. You can see the stripes in my underwear. These shorts fit absolutely perfect. And remember they had so many different colors. I would say this is more like, oh, I did it crooked. I would say this is more like swimsuit cover up, like wear this over a swimsuit to the beach type outfit. But I do really love these shorts. I feel like I need to go back and look and see what other colors they had, because white, probably not my jam because I can see straight through them, but a different color would probably be really pretty. Here's the wide view again. Shorts, yes. Top, I think it's my fault picking the wrong size because it is cute together. So again, I'm gonna go back to, if you're looking for a swimsuit cover up like beachy outfit, then this could be it. These are both like a linen blend material. I absolutely love this. Size extra, extra large. I think I just need one size smaller. My only hesitation is it is absolutely a sweater material. So it's going to be a little bit warm, but it is sleeveless. But these colors with the scalloped detail is so pretty. It's also scalloped at the bottom. Actually, I think they had an extra large out there, so I may go grab that one and try it on. The colors of this are so pretty. They didn't have the pink and red one in the size extra large, but here it is in black and like cream, just to see size wise. This one definitely fits a little bit more how I would want. This one's cute too, with like the scalloped edges and stuff, but I want the other color, so now I know what size I need to get. Extra large top, extra, extra large shorts. Remember, these are the ones with the elastic in the back. These are so nice. I love this like pale yellow color. I think these are so cute. These are so comfortable. They're a little bit wider down here in the leg, and they are a little bit roomy in the waist, but I feel like the fit is really good. I liked this. It says blue jean baby. However, we know how many like baby tees I already own. I don't necessarily need another one, but this one was $7.99. A cute little graphic. I don't know if I love the extra fabric in the shorts, but they are very comfortable. They do have pockets in the back. They are also slightly see-through. Maybe I could get them in a different color. I don't necessarily need denim shorts, but they are a nice find. I kind of love this outfit. These pants are, I say, slightly short for my liking. I'm 5'8", but there's also a ton of stretch to them, so they're more of like a jegging fit here. There's a close-up. I do like the print, and the pair that I wear all the time are from Walmart, and they're so hard to find in stock now, so I feel like these are a good option to have. I just don't love how fitted they are. Like, I like the leg width and everything, but they're definitely fitted across the tummy. This tank I really like. It's a little bit further in on the shoulders, which I do like. Also came in so many different colors. This could be cute with like linen pants, like something very casual. Flip-flops, linen pants, a black tank. Brown linen with a side stripe pant. These are in the size extra, extra large. The fit unmatched, like absolutely perfect. There's a closer look at the drawstring elastic waist. with pockets. The length is so nice. I feel like I need these. These are really cool, almost like sporty with the little stripe on the side. They do have pockets in the back. This would be cute with a cream colored tank like this. I really like these pants. I think these are a yes. This is in a size extra large. It is a little bit snug, but I like the drop waist. It does have pockets. The straps are adjustable. It's very snug here. It's also slightly see-through, but overall this is such a pretty dress. Like the silhouette of it is really nice, but there is a bit of smocking right there. I just don't love how see-through the top is, and that could be, again, because it's a little bit snug, but this would be really pretty with like heeled sandals for a date night. This is absolutely adorable. This quality is much nicer. It is lined here at the top. It even has a silicone strip to stick to your skin, even though it's not strapless. It is also lined at the bottom. I love this one. I feel like I need this. Like, this is long enough for me. I don't love a super short bust where it kind of stops right under the bust, but just a little bit more. I love. Straps are also adjustable in this one with a bit of smocking in the back. It is slightly like puckering out right there, but the print and everything is so summery that I feel like I should get this. Last thing I have is this top in a size extra, extra large. I love the fit with the exception of here. I feel like it's a little bit low and roomy in the armpit area, but this overall kind of like linen-y, gauzy type feel, I love. The little tie here. It does actually cinch into, and then it's elastic, has this little flare here. I love this color. On camera, I feel like it looks a little bit Cajun shrimp-ish, but in person, it's more pink than orange. And then I grabbed these pants in an extra large just to compare with the other size. I know that they're going to stretch quite a bit, like once I wear them. These are also a little bit shorter in this size. All right, I think we'll stick with the extra, extra large bottoms. These are the black shorts that I wore in here. These are from Kohl's. I feel like this is a cute outfit. This could be cute with jeans. I just think the fit is like slightly off. Here's what I think I'm going to do. This dress I absolutely love. I think I do need one size smaller. I just think the extra, extra large, like it's a little bit too loose at the top. So I'm gonna switch this one out for an extra large. This version in this color scheme here, when I grab links for y'all, I will be ordering this for myself in a size extra large. I think I'm gonna pass on these brown striped pants unless y'all tell me like when you're watching that they're really cool. I just don't know if I need a pair right now. Like, it's a little bit warm. I did like this purple gauze romper. These white shorts, love the fit. I need to go look and see what other colors they have. All right, so that's the plan. I think that's all I'm going to do. I do like this set. Again, the sizes were a little bit off, so I may look online and see if I can grab that too. But for sure today, as long as they have this one in stock in the extra large, I'm grabbing it. I don't see this in a size extra large, so I'll order this online too. But price-wise, remember, an extra 40% off of $80. I think that's a good price. This is a nice dress. I'm out empty-handed. However, I will be ordering the dress in an extra large and that pink and red striped sweater tank I thought was so pretty. Also the checkered set, the black with the top, I may order that one as well. But however, everything is linked down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one. Goodbye.